Hi guys, just wanted to show a Subaru WRX. In some countries they called Subaru WRX. This one is 2024 model, really nice car. Has all the features for the driver: adaptive cruise control, memory seats, Abiloader installed in it gives us really good delivery position, so we can pretty much reach it from the driver's door without stretch. Yeah, leave it there. And if I turn it off, in this particular car we installed transfer board as well to help the guy to bridge the gap. Yeah, send it back please. And the customer asked us to install a little shelf for some little stuff that he wants to keep in the luggage compartment above the Abiloader, so sometimes we do that as well. A really nice car to drive, has adaptive cruise control, memory seats, heated seats, yeah, and really just a lovely car to drive. And thank you for watching.